Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries Fire Sign. This is weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries Fire Sign. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in, guys. So what are the messages for Aries and what's going on? Messages for Aries and what's going on. Aries. You are missing someone. So let's see under the deck first. Queen of Wands, 8 of Cups, 6 of Cups and 4 of Wands. Lots of you are in twin flame journey. For some it could be a soulmate journey. But you are thinking about someone a lot, Aries. For some you both could be have strong past life connection or soulmate connection. And 8 of Cups and Queen of Wands. Maybe you walked away from this connection. And right now you are passionate about your work. You're more concentrating on your work. And there is some forward movement in your life. So let's see your reading. Recent past, strength, 4 of Cups and Page of Cups. Definitely you are missing someone. You're feeling lonely or you're feeling bored in recent past. And someone approach with an apology or someone randomly messaging you. For some, if you are in separation, your person messaged you. But right now, in recent past, also you're focusing on your inner strength. You want to be independent, especially emotionally, Aries. That's why you are focusing on your inner self. Then present 8 of Swords, 2 of Wands and Hermit. You're still stuck on them, feeling stuck and not unable to make any decision regarding this relationship. Lots of you are in long distance relationship. Then you are going through some transformation because you are heavily obsessed with this person or they are obsessed with you. Definitely for some this person may be toxic for you. That's why you're feeling this energy. There is no clarity, lot of thinking. Then future King of Cups, 3 of Cups and the Devil. Lots of you are involved in third party situation. Yeah, they do especially you love them. Definitely you still have strong emotions, but at the same time there is some obsession. I think you are obsessed with them or they are obsessed with you. For some, they are very dominant. For some, someone is coming to offer their cup of love to you. For some, it could be a past person. For some, it could be a new person, depending upon your situation. But here, lot of thinking, lot of transformation. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity. Aries. Under the deck, 10 of Wands, Star, Hierophant and 3 of Pentacles. I think there are some commitment issues between you and your person. Your person emotions are running high for those who are in separation. If you are in relationship with this person right now, they're thinking about partnership with you and they want to take this relationship to next level. If you are in relationship, if you are not married with this person, they want to marry you. They're thinking about commitment or marriage. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Aries. Especially the person involved in this connection could be Virgo or Capricorn. Three of Wands with two of Pentacles. I think your person have no clarity. They're still waiting. There is some waiting game is going between you and your person. Lots of you are in long distance relationship. So their current feelings, Eight of Wands, Nine of Wands, and Knight of Wands. They're very, very attracted to you, Aries. There is a lot of attraction, but there is no commitment. There is no stability at all. Your person is guarded up. They don't want to take responsibility. They want this relationship, but they don't want to take responsibility. So they're planning to communicate with you. Again, if you are in separation, they're planning to communicate. Then intentions, Eight of Cups, Ten of Cups, and Four of Swords. I think right now they're healing. They're thinking about communicate with you, but still they're healing. They're taking their time. They need some time, because if they walked away from this connection, they're scared for rejection also. So they're taking their time. For some, your person is already married, because Ten of Cups, third party involved in this connection. So for some, there will be communication is coming, but your person still, there is some waiting. They're taking their time and they're juggling. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. A lot of fire energy. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Two cards. Yeah, a lot of commitment. I think they have no clarity about commitment, marriage. Maybe they're scared. Yes. They're being patient. Maybe they're waiting for right time. You're right now, they're taking their time, Aries. I'm not seeing any forward movement, to be honest with you. They're taking their time. They're thinking about commitment or marriage. But there is attraction. I think you are also holding back. Yes. You also want this happiness, but you are also not opening up to this person anymore, because there is no clarity from their side. That's why you are holding back, and you are feeling alone also. You're feeling heartbroken. But it's okay, because for some, this person may be toxic for you. That's why you are holding back. It is only for good. And some cycles are going to be ended between you and your person, are going to be end for some. So let's see mutual energies. Nine of Wands. Yes, guarded up. And yeah, there is love, but there is, you both are not opening up. But you both wishing. There is some waiting game. Waiting game is going between you and your person, Aries, right now. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Stability is coming. Third party involved. I realized my mistake and don't leave me behind. So the messages are third party involved, stability is coming, I realized my mistake and don't leave me behind. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aries. Okay. A personal issue reaches resolution, full moon in Cancer. So if you are going through a personal problem right now, it is going to be end very soon, especially when full moon in Cancer. And the answers you need are coming full moon in Gemini, Gemini energy. So if you're searching for any answers for your questions, definitely the answers you need are coming, especially when full moon in Gemini. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.